Hello, AgencyPro subscribers. This is an update just for you guys. If you are not an AgencyPro subscriber, feel free to watch to learn how this works. But this is something that is in the accounts of all AgencyPro subscribers as of this morning. So when you scroll down now and you look at your different workspaces, you'll notice that on the right side, there's a new option. You used to just be able to delete workspaces, but now you can simply pause them. There are several use cases for this that are really, really helpful. One of them is your client contacts you, says they're low on money, and they need to just pause for a couple of months. This is a great way to just kind of hold on to the relationship, pause the workspace so you're no longer charging them, but you're also not deleting all of their data. So this allows you to pause for up to 60 days. After 60 days, we will delete the workspace. But during that 60 days, we free up this workspace. So if you have 19 of 54 available and you pause one, that's going to drop to 18 of 54. Now you can sell that to a new client if you're, towards your limit. The other reason is we are about to offer you guys literally unlimited workspaces. They're not free, but what's going to happen is when you reach your limit, it's going to allow you to keep on selling workspaces. So you don't need to, go to sleep with one eye open, wondering if you're going to have like a big promotion that finally goes viral and all of a sudden you get 5 signups overnight and you only had 2 workspaces available. So now what'll happen is it's going to sell them all 5 workspaces. And on the 25th of the month, it's going to say, hey, here's where you're at. You're going to be charged this amount if you don't either purchase additional workspaces or pause workspaces. We're going to charge you this amount of money. And then on the 1st of the next month, you'll be billed for any overage workspaces. There's no penalty or anything like that. We're going to charge you the normal amount. But what you might want to do is go in, audit your accounts, make sure that those customers are still on board with you, and you'll be able to pause those workspaces to bring your total active workspaces below your plan levels. So when that happens, obviously the pause workspace feature will be even more helpful, but that's not going to be for another couple of weeks, hopefully less. But I want you guys to try out the pause feature and make sure that it's counting and your active workspaces correctly. And once I hear back from you that it's working well for all of your accounts, it works great on our test account, then I will know that we can go live with that other feature. So let me show you how it works. I'm actually going to take this $2 test plan and let's pause it and see what happens. Always read this confirmation message. I'll read it to you here. It says, are you sure? You and your clients will not be able to access this workspace if paused. It will be removed from any pricing plans it belongs to. Any scheduled posts, campaigns, RSS feeds, or imports will not trigger while paused. The workspace will auto-delete if not restored within 60 days. So basically, it's not going to charge them anymore when you do this. So just understand you're not going to get that revenue from the customer during this time period. But once you restore it, it's going to go right back to that original pricing plan that they had, and it will start charging them again. So they will have, when they try to access it again, it's going to immediately prompt them to pay. So that's how that works. But it's not going to try to get back payments from them. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions for us, you can go ahead and reach out to us in live chat. And I hope this feature helps you guys just manage your workspaces better. But as you can see, now it is paused. And the $2 plan that is on our enterprise has just dropped the number from 14 to 13 of active enterprise workspaces. Thanks a lot, you guys. Keep on doing great. I can see a lot of you adding a lot of workspaces because you are selling to clients, and it just warms my heart to see you guys doing so great. So any comments or feedback, Facebook group, any questions about technical support issues or anything, reach out to us down here in customer support.